Today, we're diving into a delicious and vibrant dish that's packed with fresh herbs and bold spices. Haryali boneless tikka. Preparing the chicken. We start with 1 kilogram of chicken, side pieces, and flatten them by gently hammering. You can use rolling pin also for hammering down the thigh pieces. This helps the chicken cook evenly, but be careful not to make them too thin. We want them thick enough to stay juicy inside. Making the marinade. Now we will start marinating the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter cup of fresh cream, and a quarter cup of lemon juice into a large bowl. Mix these ingredients well when the chicken and these spices are properly combined, ensuring every piece is fully coated with the marinade. Preparing the green chutney. To prepare the mint chutney, grind 2 cups of fresh mint leaves, 6 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into a smooth paste. This chutney is what gives the Haryali tikka its signature vibrant color and refreshing flavor. Add the green chutney to the marinated chicken and mix it thoroughly so the chicken absorbs the fresh herbal flavors. Adding butter and flour. Next, add 3 tablespoons of butter or a quarter cup of butter and a quarter cup of plain flour to the mixture. Butter is added to keep the chicken moist during cooking. Flour will help bind the marinade and give the chicken a nice coating once grilled. Mix everything thoroughly again. Now let the chicken marinate for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to penetrate deeply and tenderize the meat. Starting the grill. Heat the grill pan or hot plate and add a quarter cup of oil along with 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter is almost melted, place the chicken in the pan for grilling. Keep the flame at medium to low heat to prevent the chicken from burning. Don't flip the chicken until one side is completely cooked. This helps retain its juiciness. Preparing the vegetables. Meanwhile, prepare some vegetables. Chop 2 capsicums or bell peppers, 2 large tomatoes, and 2 large onions. Cooking the chicken. Increase the flame to high now so the water released from the chicken starts to evaporate. Flip the chicken pieces frequently from this point to ensure even cooking. Add a quarter cup of water to the pan and reduce the flame to low. Cover the pan tightly to trap steam and cook the chicken on medium flame, letting it steam thoroughly. Use a heavy, tight-fitted lid for best results. After 10 minutes, turn the flame back to high and cook uncovered until the chicken turns a deep golden brown and crispy. Add the leftover marinade to the pan and cook for 3 more minutes to intensify the flavor. Remove the chicken and transfer it to a plate. Grilling the vegetables. Remove the extra oil from the pan, then add a quarter cup of water to dissolve all the flavorful brown bits stuck to the bottom. This creates a rich glaze or sauce. Add the chopped vegetables into the pan and gently soften them, don't overcook. Now remove the vegetables from the pan. Curing and final grilling. Next, thread the chicken pieces and vegetables onto skewers for grilling. Using skewers helps cook everything evenly and makes it easy to handle on the grill. This step also gives the tikka its classic presentation. Grill the skewered chicken and vegetables until a dark, charred crust forms on the surface. You can use charcoal that's white hot. Pour some oil over the hot charcoal to give smoky flavor. Be very careful not to burn the pieces. We only want a dark charred crust, not scorched or burnt chicken. After grilling all the chicken and vegetables on the skewers, brush the reserved leftover oil that we obtained earlier over the chicken. Also, scrape up any remaining brown spice bits or masala fond from the pan and spread it on top for extra flavor. Serving suggestions. Now it's time to enjoy the Haryali boneless tikka. Serve these beautifully grilled, tender chicken pieces alongside warm, soft naan or your favorite flatbread. The fluffy bread soaks up all the delicious juices and makes every bite even better. You can also pair the tikka with some cooling yogurt-based sauces like raita or a tangy mint chutney to balance the smoky flavor. A side of fresh salad or pickled onions works wonderfully too, adding a crisp and refreshing contrast. This combination makes for a complete, satisfying meal that's sure to delight your taste buds. And that's it, our Hariali boneless tikka is ready to enjoy. It's smoky, juicy, and packed with fresh, vibrant flavors in every bite. Try this recipe at home and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipe. See you next time.